So whenever we are trying to update Google Chrome, we see Chrome checks for update for a while and then it shows us this message. It says an error occurred while checking for update. The updater is currently running. Refresh in a minute to check again. Well, following this solution, even if we restart Chrome several times, still we will not be able to update our Chrome. Actually, this happens when a broken Chrome updater runs on background. To solve this problem, we definitely need to close the background updater first. To close Chrome updater, we need to open Task Manager first. Let's press Ctrl Shift and Escape all together. It will bring Task Manager to us. Now we need to click on Process tab. Now we need to find the Chrome updater instances. Okay, now we see not only one but also two updater instances are running. We have to close both of these. To close, we will right click on the process and then click on End Process. This time we are closing the second one. We don't see any more updater process. It means we are done. Now we will refresh Chrome and this time we see Chrome is updating. I'm just fast forwarding to get to the next step. We need to relaunch Chrome to see how the update is done. And we can see now the Chrome is up to date. It means the problem is solved. Well guys, if you liked my video, please hit the like button and please share my video with your friends in your social media accounts. Also, if you have any question or any suggestion, you can always write on comment section. And finally, please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thanks again for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.